Welcome guys. If you want to transfer data from Hammer Iron 3 to other Android smartphone, for the first we have to get application to transfer data. So let's go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, tap here and type CLONEit. And this is the name of the application that we are going to use. It's really easy to use and you don't have to pay for it, so it's worth to get it, right? And let's open this application. If you finish download on this second smartphone, you have to also get it. So when we are sending data from the Hammer, click here sender, click allow, and on the Android phone tap receiver, click search again. Right now they are looking for each other, and here we got. So click on this Android share icon, and we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, so tap on it, grab your phone, put it the frame into the QR code, put it back, and right now we have to accept the request on the Hammer. And if you want to send everything, you have to select all of these icons and then tap start. But if you want to send only some details, you have to click here, and I will show you on the photo how it's going to look. So select your photo that you want to send, click start, OK, and as you can see it's finished. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!